Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. It's Bilal Khalid. Today this video is about Google Ads campaign. You want the audience approach directly to your number rather than click on website or rather than to click on your store. Okay, there are many ways. There can be a long video about total Google Ads campaign, but in this video especially I am going to teach you how to create a Google ad for phone call leads. Yani if you mean someone will click on your ad directly, it will make a call on your phone. So stay with me, watch the complete video and learn how to make a phone call lead ad. Okay, here is the interface of Google Ads. You know how to create a Google Ads ID. Just open the Google Ads, sign up in the Google Ad, then you will find the interface like this. Okay, so I will click on this create plus button. Will click on create, and then I will click on campaign. The main focus is to create a phone call lead ad on in this section. Okay, there are many options. If you are a new or you are a beginner, this video will be helpful for you. There is option sales, lead, website traffic, product and brand consideration. As I mentioned earlier, I will teach you how to create an campaign for mobile phone calls. Okay, so viewers will directly can call on your mobile. You can take a lead. Okay, we have to click on leads. Okay, click on leads here, second option, and then here is option use these conversion goals to improve leads. So I will add a goal from here, and I will add a goal as phone call leads. Okay, and here is second option, submit lead forms website. I will delete this because I need only phone call lead. Okay, and then you can see 5 options appeared, again 6 options. I will click on search. First one is search. Anyone will search on Google your ad, he can call you directly after clicking on your ad. Click on search, and then here options appear, website visit, phone calls, store visits. I will click on phone calls, and here you can add your number. Like if I have I'm in Saudi Arabia right now, so I will add any number. Okay, here is the number I added, and you can add a campaign name here. Add any name and press continue. I will write here test. Okay, continue. So second option appeared, first option finish search, and then bidding. There are many options. I recommend you can create conversions also, but what is conversions and what is clicks, there can be a separate video for all this, but I will just teach you. Just you can you can select the clicks. Okay, and leave it as it is, or if you want to set the per click rate, you can set a maximum cost per click bid. But if I will not select this, Google automatically will decide depending upon the keyword that how much it should be a cost. So I will leave this as it is and will press next. Okay, then search network, leave these options, include Google search partners like from YouTube or any other website. Your ad should not appear, only it will appear in Google website. Okay, and here are the locations. You can select locations from here, all countries, territories, Saudi Arabia, enter other location. You can select your target location, like I will click on enter another location. I can type here Riyadh. Okay, I will select Riyadh because I'm in Riyadh. You can add as location as you want, from which location your ad will appear. Okay, here you can add the languages. I will add English is already added. I will add Arabic. Okay, 2 languages added. Audience segment, leave is artist. I can just press next from here. Okay, here are keyword, add group and keywords. You can type keywords according to your niche or according to your business, for which purpose you want to get traffic on your phone. And if you have any particular website, regarding anything, you can scan website for appropriate keywords, or you can type keywords here manually. Okay, if I am selling shoes, so I will add keyword shoes in Riyadh, shoes shops in Riyadh. This is a keyword. Okay, this is a keyword. Then I will press enter. Another keyword I will add branded shoes. If I will type Skechers shoes offers, like you can add many keywords. If you will find a website for specific brand or specific product, you can type the URL here, and this Google will automatically scan the keyword from the particular website. For example, if we will search Skechers, uh, if I type Skechers shoes, and I will get the keyword from Skechers website. Okay, here the shoes shop. Okay, this is the website. I will copy the URL from here, copy, and I will go campaign. I will paste here URL, and then it will update keyword suggestion. So yes, replace. Okay, it will scan sketches.com and it will add the keyword here. Look, it automatically scan the keywords from this website, Sketcher Outline, Sketcher Store, Sketcher UH account. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, you can do it as you like. So now we have to create ad over here. Okay, you can place your number here, that number you want to be called, and here is you must enter the URL for your website. This is recommended, you have to add the URL, but whenever whoever will click on your ad, it will not direct you on your website. It can be just you can get the call on your phone. So you have to add your URL here. If I add the same URL, sketches.com, okay, for the sake of argument I copy, this is my URL, and I will add here website. You can add yours according to you. Okay, sketches.com, add website. Here you can see, type anything 50% discount, like 50% discount. Okay, it will appear like this on your ad. This is call on this number, and this is sketches.com 50% discount. You can add anything, one thing more here. You can add here Riyadh as your city name. You can add anything according to your ad. Here is headlines. You can add headlines, shoes shop in Riyadh. Headline number 2, you can add best branded shoes. Okay, like this, and then you can type your business name here. Here is the description. You can type the variety of your products in the description line. It must not be exceed from 90 words to 90 words, and also here 90 words. Headline is only for 30 words. Then you have to press done. Okay, then you can press next, but I recommend you can create in one campaign 3 ads. Okay, one ad's created, second ad plus call again, and third ad. The 3 ads create and then press next. Look, the optimization score is 97.7%. It's very good. Okay, you have to press next, and in the end you can select your daily budget. It's recommended 288 of the real daily budget. You can do it custom budget also. You can ask them to make only 100 real per day. So it will show you 100 real 148 clicks per week, and average cost per click will be 4 real. So you can adjust according to your budget, and then you have to press next, and down you have to press next. Then it will review your ad. Then you have to publish. It will button will appear over here, publish campaign. Then your campaign will be published. It was little tricky, but not difficult. Okay, not impossible. You can create your ads rather than you can give a huge amount to digital marketers. If you have a credit card, because this Google Ads website must be need to be add a credit card or bank card, because it will detect money. But Google will never charge in the beginning. It will charge you after you spending the money. Okay, so don't worry about it. If you have if a business you want call leads, you can use this best option from Google. Hope you understand it. Hope you will get advantage from this video. If you have any other question regarding any campaign or issue or anything about Google Ads, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.